The finest camera backpacks offer ample space to carry your camera equipment while ensuring it remains organized and safe. Prior to making a purchase, it's important to consider whether a camera backpack, messenger bag, or sling bag would best suit your needs. A sling bag, a smaller variant of the traditional camera shoulder bag, offers less capacity compared to a backpack, limiting space for non-photographic accessories. Many backpacks are designed to accommodate a combination of clothing, laptops, camera gear, and additional photographic accessories like drones. The camera backpacks featured in this guide range from 7 to 35 liters in storage capacity, catering to various transportation requirements. With that in mind, we have meticulously selected options in this guide to cater to diverse preferences. Here are our top picks. All product links are provided in the description below. 5. Tenba DNA 16 DSLR Backpack. The Tenba DNA 16 DSLR backpack is the ideal choice for individuals seeking a backpack that seamlessly converts between DSLR and an everyday bag. With external dimensions measuring 28 by 20 by 51 centimeters and internal dimensions of 25 by 13 by 23 centimeters. This split photo accessories backpack features a bottom compartment camera access, a 16-inch laptop compartment, and a tripod fastener. It incorporates both chest and waist straps for added support, a baggage trolley strap for convenient transport, and a rain-proof cover to enhance its protective capabilities. Weighing 1.4 kilograms, the Tenba DNA 16 showcases thoughtful features and design elements that contribute to its appeal. The Tenba DNA 16 DSLR backpack features two main storage sections, with the base section hinging out to reveal a classic DSLR bag interior. This lower section eliminates the need for additional storage cases for DSLR camera kit, accommodating a camera body. Carrying options include using the backpack on the back, utilizing the top handle, or piggybacking it on an airport suitcase's extendable handle via a dedicated strap. These features collectively contribute to the Tenba DNA 16's versatility and functionality, making it a compelling choice for individuals seeking a backpack that seamlessly transitions between DSLR and everyday use. Best features on this backpack include its expandable roll top, water repellent property, a removable dedicated DSLR section, and ample pockets and compartments for organized storage. Comfort during use is also highlighted as a positive aspect. However, potential drawbacks involve the magnetic clasp being described as a bit nippy. 4. STM Dux Tech Backpack 30 liters. The STM Dux Tech Backpack 30 liters is an optimal choice for individuals seeking a comfortable and versatile solution for carrying their gear. With external dimensions measuring 33.0 by 24.1 by 50.8 centimeters and internal dimensions unspecified, this split photo daypack boasts either side camera access, a 17-inch laptop compartment, and with features such as chest, waist strap, baggage trolley strap, and a weight of 1.78 kilograms. Although the Dux is not explicitly designed as a dedicated camera backpack, it excels in enabling the transportation of cameras, clothing, and computers. This versatility is achieved through adjustable padded dividers supplied with the backpack, facilitating repositioning using a hook and loop Velcro system. Notably, this eliminates the need for additional expenses on modular storage units. Additional features contribute to the Dux's functionality, including a dedicated top pocket for swift access to travel documents. The backpack also includes a distinct rear section designed to securely hold a 17 inches laptop, featuring luxurious padding to ensure ease of insertion and removal. This thoughtful design prevents the laptop from hitting the backpack space in case of accidental drops. Comfort during use is prioritized, thanks to padded dual foam shoulder straps that effectively distribute the weight of the backpack's content. The chunky molded foam back panel, featuring generous gaps, allows efficient air circulation, reducing the likelihood of a sweaty back during extended wear. While the Dux offers undeniable comfort and versatility, potential considerations include its relatively higher cost and the chest strap clip, which may be somewhat fiddly. Nevertheless, these aspects are outweighed by the backpack's overall functionality and comfort, making it a top choice for users seeking an adaptable and comfortable gear carrying solution. 3. Lowepro PhotoSport X 35 liters. The Lowepro PhotoSport X 35 liters stands out as an ideal choice for individuals seeking a versatile backpack designed for cross-purpose use in both sports and photography. With external dimensions measuring 31 by 24 by 54 centimeters and internal dimensions of 30 by 22 by 52 centimeters. This split photo sports backpack features back and top camera access, a tripod fastener, and a weight of 1.56 kilograms. It incorporates a chest, waist strap for added support, and a rain-proof cover enhances its protective capabilities. The X in the backpack's name signifies its cross-functionality, serving as a transporter for both sports gear and photography equipment. Similar to other backpacks in this guide, it offers the option of purchasing internal storage units, known as Gear Up Pro boxes, specifically designed to contain camera kit components such as lenses and camera bodies. The adjustable dividers within each box cater to individual camera storage needs. Available in various sizes, Gear Up boxes offer flexibility in interior space utilization, allowing users to choose between fully filling the backpack or incorporating a smaller box for camera kit alongside additional items. Each Gear Up Pro box provides an extra layer of protection with its zip closure, and straps can be used to secure it to the backpack's interior, although some users may find these straps fiddly to attach. Sturdy construction is a hallmark of Lowepro, with the PhotoSport X showcasing a nylon and polyester exterior for protection against wet weather. However, potential drawbacks involve additional costs for the camera insert, fiddly straps to attach the Gear Up Pro box to the bag interior, and a perceived shortage of separate storage compartments for smaller items. 2. Gomatic McKinnon Camera Backpack 25 liters. The Gomatic McKinnon Camera Backpack 25 liters is another exceptional choice for versatile use, earning its reputation as the premier backpack for various applications. With external dimensions measuring 33 by 19 by 48 centimeters and internal dimensions of 28 by 14 by 28 centimeters. This split photo daypack exhibits a top and front camera access design, featuring a 16-inch laptop compartment, tripod fastener, and options for chest, waist strap, and baggage trolley strap. The backpack weighs 1.4 kilograms, offering a WL-rounded set of specifications. The 25 liters backpack incorporates a unique ladder system, facilitating the customization of internal compartment sizes to accommodate varying proportions of camera gear and other items like clothing. This adaptable system utilizes a hinged divider that can be effortlessly repositioned for convenience. For tailored photographic storage needs, additional investment in modular accessories, such as camera cubes available in different sizes, may be necessary. The interior of these cubes, arranged using adjustable hook and loop Velcro dividers, can be configured to suit diverse shooting scenarios, seamlessly integrating into the 25 liters backpack. In situations where non-photographic use is desired, the removal of cubes creates additional space within the backpack. However, users have the flexibility to include the McKinnon Cube Pack into the 25 liters backpack, enhancing adaptability for varied storage requirements. Reasons to consider acquiring this backpack include its clever ladder system, allowing users to adjust internal compartments, optional storage cubes for enhanced organization, and a stylish yet durable construction. However, potential drawbacks involve the absence of a supplied waist strap and the potential for a higher cost when adding extra accessory. 1. Nomatic McKinnon Cube Pack 21 liters. The Nomatic McKinnon Cube Pack 21 liters is the optimal choice for photographers seeking a lightweight and expeditious travel experience. This versatile camera cube and backpack hybrid, known as Gomatic in some regions or Nomatic in the States, caters to the specific needs of those who prioritize efficiency in their journey. With external dimensions of 45 by 34 by 18 centimeters when expanded, the cube pack provides a compact yet capacious solution. Its internal dimensions are not explicitly specified, but the backpack type is identified as Cube Daypack, offering top access to the camera. Noteworthy features include the absence of a laptop compartment, tripod fastener, and baggage trolley strap, with a weight of merely 0.6 kilograms. Highlighting its merits, the Cube Pack's lightweight and compact nature make it a practical choice for those desiring a secondary backpack that seamlessly fits into a larger one. Serving as an independent backpack, it alleviates concerns of extra airline luggage charges, a crucial benefit for the discerning traveler. Additionally, its water-resistant quality adds a layer of protection for valuable equipment. As a camera cube, the Cube Pack transforms into a resilient 7 liters box designed to house a small DSLR or compact camera, along with essential accessories like chargers. The interior's flexibility is enhanced by dividers that can be rearranged through a hook and loop Velcro system, providing customizable organization. While the Cube Pack is ingeniously crafted to fit snugly within the larger McKinnon Camera Backpack 25 liter, this integration is not mandatory. Moreover, the water-resistant feature safeguards equipment during unforeseen weather conditions, ensuring that valuable gear remains dry and operational during shoots. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.